How are we doing, everybody? Welcome to Trade Confident. Today we are going to tackle the task of transferring funds from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase Advanced Trading. So you guys probably have heard the news that's come out. I shared with you guys in a video yesterday with an email that we all got, where Coinbase Pro is going to be going away. They're going to be what's called sunsetting Coinbase Pro, meaning within the next few months here, it's going to be going away. And eventually, by the end of 2022, we are no longer going to be able to trade on Coinbase Pro. We all get to trade on Coinbase Advanced Trading. Some things I like about it, some things I don't. That's not the point of the video. The point of this video is to show you guys how to actually transfer funds over. And I also want to talk to you guys about a few things that can get a little sticky while you guys are trying to do this. So without further ado, let's just dive in here. Okay, let me talk to my OGs for a while. If you're brand new to this channel, I will show you this process, but I must address something first just to keep things transparent and honest. I just had a meeting with Jake and Josh, those are the other team members at Trade Confident, along with myself. And our number one priority, guys, is to have integrity in everything we do and keep things transparent. And so due to that, it's going to make this a little difficult, but we're going to change some things around. Okay, here's the point I'm trying to get to. We cannot find any evidence that the new Coinbase Advanced Trading platform has portfolios. Okay. Why is that a problem? We have 3 different portfolios. This default portfolio we've been using since the beginning of the business, and it's been keeping transparent all of our trades. A lot of trades are in drawdown because the bear market is present, so we do not want to touch this. Here's the problem. If you guys come over here and you transfer all your funds from Coinbase Pro to the advanced trading system over here, what's going to happen is it's going to try to transfer all of the funds within all of your portfolios. So what most likely is going to happen here is if I click transfer, all of the money in each of these portfolios, along with the amount of money I have in each coin in different portfolios, are all going to be lumped together in the same coin. Because I can only come over here. You can't actually change the amount. We checked this earlier. We're like, well, why don't we just transfer the default and that could be it? For some reason, Coinbase Pro is not allowing us to change the amount here. So the only option we have is to take all of the money we have in our Coinbase Pro account and transfer all of it to Coinbase. And then once it's in Coinbase, it will then show up over here so we can trade it on the advanced platform. Okay. So in order to keep things transparent, we can't do that, because if we do that, then all the money is going to be in one portfolio and this amount is not kept the same. So here's what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you how to do this in case you guys are running into this issue as well. Let me show you how we're going to keep this transparent. On this video, I'm going to liquidate the hold account, I'm going to liquidate the research and development account, and I'm going to withdraw this to my bank account, okay? Once that withdrawal has processed, which we may be able to do on this video, we'll find out, I'm then going to transfer all the default portfolio over to Coinbase Advanced Trading, so all of our funds and all of our positions are kept exactly the same, and so everything's kept transparent and honest, okay? So let's try this. This is going to be live here, at least when I'm recording it. So if I stumble a little bit, I say some ums in here, I apologize. But this is how we're going to do it. We're going to do it together here. So I want to end up, I want to withdraw these funds. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep track of how much money we are going to dump into the default portfolio. So we're going to do 10,000, and then we're going to come over here and look at 8,120.43. Okay, so a total of 18,120.43 cents of cash we're going to put into the default portfolio. Okay, we're going to withdraw this $10,000 cash. We're going to transfer it over to the default portfolio. So 10,000 into the default portfolio since it currently has $5.11, and we're going to click max. All right, this, when I click withdraw, should turn this to 0. And this should go to about 74,000. So let's withdraw this and see what happens. This went to 0 and this went to 74,000 right here. Okay, we can all see that. 0 and 74,000. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to do the exact same to this account. But before you guys do this, something else I'll just reference from yesterday's video. You have to close all of your buy limits in order for the money to be transferred over. So everybody, before you do this, you need to go on all your portfolios and look at your open orders. If you have any open orders, you need to click the cancel button so those canceled buy limits go into your cash, because we're trying to transfer the cash or the money that's in the assets, the coins, over to Coinbase Advanced Trading. So all buy limits need to be closed first. You can see over here, all buy limits are canceled here. All buy limits are canceled here. Okay, now that we've done that, let's come back over here and let's go to the portfolio view, and we're going to just withdraw this. So we're going to click withdraw. We're going to do USD, and then we're going to go over here and we're going to go research and development, and we're going to transfer it over here, and we're going to click max. So if this works correctly, this should show 0, and this should show 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 82. I would call it 82,000 roughly. So let's do this. Let's click max and let's transfer this. Okay, we are at 82,718, and we are now at a 0 balance for research and development. Okay, cool. Now we got to get back to the amount that's actually active in our live trades. So how do we do that? We must withdraw the cash that we just pulled over from these two accounts. So we're going to come over here and we're going to click withdraw. We're going to click withdraw on USD. We are going to be doing a bank transfer, and I'm going to be blocking some of this out. So, just to keep it private. And what we're going to do here is we're going to do USD, and the total is going to be 18,120 and 43 cents. Okay. 18,120 and 43 cents. The fee is 0 just because we're transferring out. So when I withdraw this, this should go back to basically the amount that we had before, which would be exactly the live amount in the actual trades that we started with from the beginning of this channel, the beginning of this business. So everything is kept transparent. Again, one more time, it was $10,000 from the HODL account. It was $8,120.43 from the research and development account. And that gives us a total of 18,120.43. 18,120.433, and we're going to withdraw the USD. Okay. Let me enter in my code here real quick for Coinbase. Give me 1 second to do this. Okay. Okay. And we're going to withdraw USD. Let's give it a second and see. It actually just switched over, so I may have to do this one more time on the verification process. Nope, we're good. Okay, let's click done. All right, now we are back to, we are not. Let me take a look at this. What's probably going to happen here is this is going to have to take time to process in order for us to get back to the 60,000 number over here. So let's take a look at, let's go to withdrawals here, and we should have 2 pending because we took 154 out this morning. Now we took out 18,120. All right, so here's the deal. We're going to try to transfer funds from here over to the Coinbase Advanced Trading, but it may not let us because these are pending withdrawals. So we're going to try it. The step, if you guys get to this far, here's the next step, and this is actually pretty easy. This is just the hard part because we're just trying to keep things honest with everyone, and so you guys can trust us here, okay? We're not closing any trades. We're not selling any trades. We're just going to transfer it all over to keep it really simple. So now what we're going to do, we're going to try this. We're going to go over to, here's the URL. It's coinbase.com/advanced-trade. coinbase.com/advanced-trade. Okay. Click transfer funds. I'm hoping this says 63,000 because if it does, this is going to be really nice. Oh, you know what? I think it did. Guys, we are good to go. This is awesome. Okay, this is good. It actually went through. So, okay, sorry, I'm trying to get me excited here live. I did not think this was going to process, but this should say 64. Okay, perfect. This is good. Now I can keep going with you guys so we can, okay, these are going to process, and now we get to transfer. Sweet. All right. We click this button. Let me do it again so you guys can see this. You're going to click transfer funds up here. I'm not a financial advisor. You're doing it at your own risk. Yes, you could lose all of your money. This is just what I'm personally doing. Okay. And hopefully it works. From all portfolios, we're going to transfer to coinbase.com. And you cannot change this because what it's going to do is it's just going to pull every single dollar amount that you have. So that's good. We're going to click transfer to Coinbase. I don't know what's going to happen after this step. This is brand new. So I apologize if I sound like I'm stuttering. I don't know what's going to happen here. Your money is on the way. We're transferring your funds from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase. Your funds will be available soon. Okay, let's click this. Go to coinbase.com. Let's see what happens. We may have to wait a little bit here, or it may be here immediately. I'm not sure about that. Okay, so I don't see money anywhere in this account yet. Let's go to USD. I don't see anything. Let's go to advanced. Let's go to trade. Do we have anything over here? I don't see it at all. I was trying to see if this actually showed us how much money we have in these, but this just shows simply the market cap and the price. So let's go back over to advanced trade. Let's click into here. And let's go to something we own. We own Ethereum. So let's see if we can actually sell Ethereum if it actually put it in over here. So limit price, let's say we want to do a sell market and the amount of Ethereum. Yeah, we've pretty much got nothing. We've got nothing over here. Actually, Ethereum available. We've got 3.55. So we may have, this actually may have transferred correctly over here. This is pretty cool. Okay, so if we do the amount, let's say 3.5. Okay, we can actually have a total of 4,237 USD, and this is actually correctly pulling from the amount that we just pulled over. So if we wanted to, I'm not going to do this, but if you wanted to sell, it looks like this actually happened immediately. So this is very good. Let's take a look and see if anything else moved over. Yeah, we're good. We didn't have any US dollars left because everything was in trade. So that actually pulled over correctly. This is looking good so far, guys. Okay, let's go to, we definitely got a lot of EOS. So let's take a look at EOS. EOS USD. There it is. Oh my gosh, this actually did work. $12,255 is in EOS. And if we do come over here, I'm not going to sell. I really wish they would have just kept the all button. This would have been way easier. But if we want to look at EOS, you could do 1255.7. This should basically look to sell everything, and the total would be 1,238. That's not right. The amount of EOS. Okay, this is interesting because we do have more than this available. Let me go back over here. I'm sorry, this is a long video, guys. The money should have come out of here, and so let's just see if this says 0 now. Okay, so this says 0. Everything is gone. Now, what I really want to check is we need to find a place where can we view our portfolio. That's what I want to try to do here with you guys before I leave. And I apologize if it takes me just a little bit of time to do this. Let's go back to the Coinbase main home page. This does not show our portfolio. This shows our balances at 0. So this may take some time to transfer over because I'm not seeing this at all in our balance. It's still saying that our balance is 0. It may just be taking some time to transfer over and show us that our money is actually there, because we should be seeing about, oh, hold on. Things just keep getting better and better as we keep going here. Okay, so the funds have officially transferred from Coinbase Pro over to Coinbase Advanced Trading. So it works. And your assets are right here. Yay. Okay, now we have a full page where we see our balance. We also can see transparently we didn't sell a single thing. All of our coins are kept the same. All of our break-even entries are the same, and all of our money is here. Yeehaw. Okay, this is really, really good news. This is our new portfolio page, and here's our balance. Okay, cool. And then if we want to trade from here, we click trade, and then we go to advanced trade, and then we can click on the asset we want to trade. Let's say it's Ethereum. And we should be able to see the market price over here. The USD available is 510, but the available Ethereum is 3.55. So this is holding true. 3.55. Total is 4,322. Let's go over here and see if we have 4,322 in our portfolio. Ethereum 4,322. Let's go to assets. Ethereum. 4,322, pretty close to the exact amount. Okay, good. So that's even matching up as well. All right, Coinbase, I'm impressed with you right now. Everything seems to have seamlessly transferred over. The one last thing I want to try to accomplish here, if we can find this, is can we create portfolios? That would be amazing. And I am not personally, if you guys see something, please let me know in the comments. This would be very helpful for everybody so we can get back into these portfolios, is we need to figure out if we can have a different portfolio, because it looks like what they're forcing us to do is just chunk everything together into one portfolio. I don't like that, because here's the deal. I was calling out some scalping trades, and we won 4 scalping trades today. One of them was 12%, another 4%, and so on and so forth. And that was great. But I don't have cash to be able to get into any more scalping trades with you guys right now. So what I'm going to try to do is figure out if I can get more cash in here in a different portfolio, or we may be using a different exchange so we can scalp. The reason why that, and it may be complicated to some of you guys, I don't want to touch this balance, because this is the only way for us to keep this transparent of how much our account is at based off the strategy we've been using for the entire duration of the business. I don't want to touch this, and I won't touch this. But I need to figure out how to get another $10,000 in here so I can start scalping with you guys so we can start making more money in this market. my priority, my number one priority is to figure out how to do that ASAP so I can literally start calling scalping trades out, let's say Monday or Tuesday of next week. That's the next day we work. So know that that's my priority. But until then, guys, this actually worked flawlessly. And we can now come over here and literally like, I'm going to exit this because we no longer need this anymore. We are now fully on Coinbase Advanced Trade. Click into anything and here we go. Here's the order book and that's that. All right, guys, have a good one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like if this helped you guys out. We do have a membership, all that type of stuff in the description. I don't want to go into that in this video. I want to just keep it, really educational. But if you guys want to check that out, that's in the description. We've got some indicators on some really good discounts. And I'll see you guys later. God bless you. Have a good one. Hope this really helps you guys. And hope the transfer process is as smooth as apparently it was for me today. All right. See you guys. Bye-bye.